Hello friends, it's Danielle with 4Patriots. Today I have an extra special message for you, just in time for President's Day. It's our amazing President's Day giveaway. It's your chance to give yourself, and your friends and family too, the greatest gift of all, the peace of mind that comes with being fully prepared. And it'll also help you achieve the freedom and independence our country's founders and everyone here at 4Patriots know you're destined to have. What am I talking about? How about a total prize value of almost $1,150? Yes, you heard me right. Well over $1,100 in prizes here for the taking. And one lucky winner is going to bring them all home for free. You're practically going to salute when you see this. And all you have to do to enter is follow the link in the description below. Now, listen, the last year has been tough on everyone, that's for sure. So we want to do all we can to truly thank you for your continued support and help guarantee you're fully prepared for whatever this year has in store for us. Curious about what the prizes are? I bet you are. Well then, let's get to it. It all starts with delivering a nice hot meal whenever your family needs it with our most popular survival food kits, and enough for everyone. First, I'm talking about the 4Patriots 4-week survival food kit with 168 servings of mouth-watering nutrition designed to last up to 25 years. And it all comes nestled tight in this sturdy and stackable tote for extra portability and protection. But I'm not talking about one 4-week kit. You'll get 3. This prize alone is worth a whopping $804, but someone's walking away with enough hunger insurance to last months on end. What a relief. But that's not the only food you'll get. We're also going to include some pick it up and go food protection too, with not 1, not 2, but 3 of our 72-hour survival food kits as well. Each one is typically $27 plus shipping, but you'll get all 3 free, and we'll ship the whole stash to you for free too. Now, whether you're getting your go bags ready or just want a hot meal on your next camping trip, you'll be stocked up and secure, just like thousands of folks across this country are with these kits on hand. If I stopped there, this would already be an amazing giveaway. But this is a President's Day celebration. We need to have a prize worthy of the most important office in the world, don't we? So, in honor of our very first president, we're not stopping with our easy-to-prepare survival food. Because above all else, George Washington thought of himself first as a farmer. So, we're inviting our customers to roll up their sleeves and take even greater control of their own self-reliance this year by growing your very own victory garden. And not only will our lucky winner get 3 Victory Garden seed collections to have the bountiful harvest of their dreams, we're even throwing in our brand new gardening tool and storage set too. You'll have the tools to work the soil and the heirloom non-GMO seeds to produce bushels of lettuce, tomatoes, carrots, and more for years to come. Store away your extra seeds for future years. They're designed to last up to 5 years unopened. And get started this spring with your own fresh veggies. Believe me, you'll have enough to share once these babies start growing. All in all, one lucky winner will get almost $1,150 worth of delicious food that's ready in minutes, plus a way to build the garden you've always wanted and the tools to finally make it happen, whether you were born with a green thumb or not. Someone out there is going to make old George Washington awfully proud. Will it be you? Let's hope so, because it's the perfect peace of mind to have in these uncertain times. And I want you to have it all on us. All you have to do is enter, and you'll have the ultimate food security and peace of mind. And it only takes a few seconds. Now, all the details about how to enter are in the description below. And best of all, there's 4 ways to enter, and you can rack up a few extra entries along the way. While you're down there getting the details, be sure to subscribe to this channel to see more videos like this one. What are you waiting for? Get your entries in now, and good luck.